Hey there, welcome back to Comfy Cat Yoga. My name is Phoenix and today is day 9 of our Mellow Movement Challenge. Today we're going to be focusing on a nice gentle flow to relieve anxiety. We got a lot of stuff going on in the world right now and sometimes that can get in our head. So hopefully this flow will help you decompress, relax a little bit before getting back out there. If that sounds good to you, go ahead and grab a blanket, maybe roll out a mat, and we'll get started. We're going to start in a nice seated, comfortable position here. It's whatever feels good to you, so if your legs are farther out from your body, that's totally fine. We're just trying to keep a nice straight posture, crown of the head going up to the ceiling, and bringing attention to our breath. If you're feeling particularly anxious today, try to let all of those feelings and emotions come and go without focusing too much on them. Try to focus wholly on your breath, noticing the sensation when it comes in and noticing the sensation when it goes out. Try to make your inhales and exhales nice and even. If your heart rate is elevated, try to calm it down, allowing yourself to relax. We're going to try a breathing technique here. It's just called a bumblebee breath, and you'll see why in a second. But you're going to inhale just as you normally would, and then on your exhale, you're going to hum. So it'll be inhale and exhale. Until all that air goes out of your lungs. Try not to force the air out. You should feel the vibration in your chest, in your neck, and your mouth a little. Let's do it one more time. Great job. Return to a natural breath. Take a few deep ones here. Fully inhaling the lungs before letting it out. We're going to lean forward slightly. Try to keep your back nice and straight. We're going to rest our elbows on our knees or just in this meatier part of our leg. And we're going to take our hands and rest them just behind the jawbone. Doing a gentle press into our neck. We're not trying to cut off circulation here or anything. Just applying a gentle, even pressure. What this is going to do is tell your body to calm down just a little bit, tell your heart to reduce its speed, telling your nervous system that everything's okay. Continue breathing deeply, feeling your heartbeat. awesome job. Go ahead and remove your hands from your neck. We're going to come into a tabletop position just really briefly here. We're just setting up for child's pose. So we're going to put our knees out to the sides of the mat and farther if you need to. Big toes should be pointing towards one another, and gently send the hips back, sliding the hands down the mat, coming into child's pose, resting your forehead on the mat. Try to relax the back and the shoulders and the neck, coming into this very grounding position. Continue breathing normally, nice and deep. This practice should be generally non-strenuous. Go ahead and bring the weight up into your hands, straightening the back legs, curling the toes under, and gently coming up into downward dog. Downward dog is another great grounding position. It reverses the flow of your blood, allowing more blood to go to your brain, which can help reduce anxiety. Breathe deeply, breathe normally. Go ahead and bring the weight forward, dropping the knees again. And then I'm going to invite you to find a wall or maybe a chair that you can put your legs up on. We're going to turn towards the wall, scooting our butt right up next to it, and straightening our legs all the way up the wall, letting the feet be relaxed, letting the wall take the full weight of our legs, interlacing our fingers and resting them on the stomach in a leg up the wall pose. This is once again going to reverse the flow of blood, allowing more blood to go to your brain and to your upper extremities. Breathe deeply, breathe normally, focusing wholly on the breath, allowing any thoughts or feelings to come and pass, practicing detachment here. While we're still on the wall, we're going to bend the knees, bringing them really close to the chest and interlacing the fingers here, holding them close to the body. The soles of your feet should be grounded on the wall or the couch, wherever you're at. Continue breathing normally. Go ahead and release the knees. We're going to butterfly them out here, pushing them towards the wall, but you don't have to put too much effort in. Just whatever the natural effort is, it's perfectly fine. Our feet should still be on the wall in a reclined butterfly here. Your feet may start sliding towards your body the more you relax. We're going to come away from the wall, turning onto our mat here. We're going to bring those feet up and releasing our fingers around the toes and pulling the legs towards our body in a reclined bound angle here. Trying to fully relax. Go ahead and release the feet, allowing them to fall straight on the mat. Take a few deep breaths, noticing the sensation on inhale and the sensation on exhale. Making them nice and long. We're going to bend the right knee up, grabbing it with the left hand and pulling it over to the left side of the body. Nice and gently here, don't go farther than your body allows. Maybe resting your other hand on your ribs or sending it out to the side, whatever feels better to you. Inhale, come up. Exhale, drop the knee. Inhale, bring the left knee up, grabbing it with the right hand and pulling it over to the right side of the body. Maybe sending that other hand out or resting it on your ribs. Go ahead and untwist. Straighten the leg. Stretch the legs, pointing the toes, and then relax. Stretch the arms above the head, and then relax. Allowing your chest to open here. Go ahead and gently move the arms down to the side of your body, coming into Savasana, focusing on the breath, focusing on your heart, and keeping the mind calm. When you're ready, go ahead and start wiggling your fingers and your toes, coming back to your body, and coming up into a gentle seated position once you're ready. I hope today's practice was helpful for you. If you are experiencing anxiety, be sure that you're talking to someone if you need to, and taking time for yourself today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks for joining me. Namaste, and we'll see you later.